The Flashforge Creator 5 is a great value tool changer printer that offers a great mix of both performance and features for the money. In fact, it's currently the cheapest tool changer available. But in my opinion, it does have one major flaw, and that's the lack of a purge bin. Now yes, I know tool changer printers don't produce anywhere near as much waste as a traditional single nozzle multi-material printer. However, whenever you load a new filament, the printer still needs to purge out whatever material was left in the nozzle from the previous roll. On other machines, this waste is simply collected. It might get pooped out the back of the printer. On the Snapmaker U1 for example, it's dropped into a removable tray inside the machine at the back. It's not perfect, but at least there's somewhere for it to go. Both the Creator 5 and the Creator 5 Pro simply drop that purge material onto the floor at the printer at the front. It's a bit like an untrained pet. To me, it feels like a bit of a cost-saving omission, and it makes the printer feel a bit unfinished. On the Creator 5 Pro, it is even less ideal, as the purge strings dangle directly in front of the chamber heater intake, and we're at risk of being sucked into the fan. Flashforge have since released a firmware update which stops the chamber fan running when the printer is purging, so that's definitely an improvement. But it still doesn't solve the problem of the waste being dumped inside the printer. Thankfully, the community has already come up with some solutions. This one was designed by Justin Hazelshot over on MakerWorld, and I'll leave a link in the description below. I printed mine in grey PLA to match the build plate, fitted the required 6x3 magnets, and it simply clips into place. After trying it out, it does exactly what you'd hope. Instead of dropping the purge material all over the bottom of the printer and eventually onto your worktop, it collects everything neatly inside the tray, ready to be emptied. Just remember to empty it every so often, especially if you're changing filaments regularly. I'd recommend emptying it after each job. So if you already own a Creator 5 or Pro, or you're thinking about buying either of these, I'd definitely recommend printing one of these before you start using the machine. The question is, why didn't Flashforge include something like this as one of the printable files already stored on the printer? It would have made the experience so much better from day one. Maybe we'll see something like it included in a future update. But until then, this is probably the first thing I'd be printing once I've received my machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.